Notice anything missing? So today I'm going to show you how to take a regular off-the-shelf set of wiper blades. These cost, I think, like 16 bucks total, and replace the wiper blade inserts on your E39 frames. First step is just to pull off the old inserts from the E39 blades. We're going to save the frames and throw away the old wiper blades and metal inserts. This is a set of Michelin blades. They were 8 bucks a piece. It's a 26-inch one for the driver's side and a 22-inch one for the passenger side. These blades are crimped into the frames, so you're just spreading that crimp out and then pulling the old insert out. Then we're going to swap into the old frame. Spreading apart that crimp section on the frames that we're keeping, just so that the new blades can slide in easier. When you're sliding the new inserts into the frames, sometimes it helps to spray them down with a little bit of Windex. I'll actually do that for the second set. But you need to be careful that the blade is sliding in properly. It's like the rubber, then the metal piece, then another lip of rubber that needs to go into each section of the frame. When you're doing this, you don't want to pull too hard on the rubber and have it stretch, because then the metal insert won't be in the right spot and you'll end up with the metal hanging out one end and the rubber hanging out the other end. You want them to stay together, and that's where the Windex can help everything slide through those guides without stretching the rubber. And then just pushing it until it clips into the frame. These metal inserts have little ramped sections that are used to help it be retained in the frame once you crimp down the frame. A little bit of Windex there to help it slide easier. Does help. And if you do get it put together and you missed a piece of that rubber lip from getting tucked in the channel, you can normally tuck it back in with just a screwdriver. So here I'm crimping the end that we spread apart earlier so that it helps keep the blade retained in the frame so it doesn't slide and come out. And that's it.